Banana face mask with vitamin E oil for skin is an amazing combination that helps to remove wrinkles, also remove fine lines on face. Simply take a banana slice and rub it on your face in a circular motion. Do this for about 10 minutes and then wash off with water. Rich in potassium and moisture, it hydrates and moisturizes dry skin, making it soft and supple. If your skin is feeling and dry, do this daily. Bananas contain good amount of vitamin E that helps in maintaining natural and youthful glow of the skin and bring back the lost glow and make your skin look brighter. Banana plus vitamin E face mask. To make this mask, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of banana paste, 1 capsule of vitamin E oil and add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix all the ingredients to make a smooth paste. Apply this mask on your face. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Wash off with cool water. Do this daily. You can either rub banana slice on your face or apply banana mask daily. The nutrients in bananas help fight wrinkles and keep skin youthful. It is full of antioxidants which not only help remove dead skin cells but also leave your skin feeling fresh and new. Acne scars, age spots or just dark spots can make your face dull. You can reduce them and even out general skin discoloration of applying this mask daily. It will give you intensive nourishment and shine to your skin. It gives you a satin smooth silk and soft complexion in no time. These are some of benefits by using banana daily for your skin. I hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you love to see more of my videos about health, hair and beauty.